Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm hopeful that all of you are fine and enjoying good life. Dear students, I was thinking to share with you a chunk of knowledge regarding research and especially related with educational research. Dear students, you know that education is a complex phenomenon. It involves so many factors which are vital for the solution and for the achievement of the desired goals. For the attainment of the desired goals, there is always the need of research because the process of education involves the learners, the teachers, and the society. There are problems related with the learners, there are problems related with the teachers, and there are problems related with the society. So to locate and to find out solution of that problems always depend upon research. Research, it is clear from the name that research means to search again or to find again. Research is known as the spinal cord of every education system because education is a dynamic process always leading towards the climax of success. For the attainment of that climax of success, there is always the need of realistic research, applicable research. So today we are going to discuss about research in general and then we will shift towards the educational research. Let's see that what is research. According to L.R. 2007, a purposeful and systematic activity directed towards the solution of problems is called research. Research, according to L.R. is a purposeful. Research is called research because there is always a purpose behind it. There is no research which is purposeless because there are so many problems and every problem is playing its vital role in the blockage of the quality education. So where there are problems in the process of education, there comes research to rescue it. So it is a purposeful and systematic. Systematic means that it has a proper beginning, it has proper middle, and it has proper end. Means that it is not haphazard. It is not directionless. There is always the selection of a problem. And that problem is selected for the attainment of the achievement of some purpose. So it is a systematic activity. Activity means which demands for your high order thinking. High order thinking means that problems are identified, problems are verified, problems are delimited, and then research is conducted, directed towards the solution of problems. Research is the systematic process of the solution of the problems which are there. Merriam-Webster is a name, a well-known reputed dictionary, defines research is a systematic study of materials and sources. Materials means the previous researches which are available. It may be in the form of objects and sources which related with internet, experienced people, review literature, etc., etc. in order to establish facts and new conclusion, to find out the facts, the reality, and to make new conclusion. New conclusion means that research is the process of modification. A topic on which a research is carried out. For example, the role of motivation on the performance of secondary level students. This is the topic of the research. Now, a research study has been carried out, but there is a need of making the conclusion. So the topic is redefined, that the role of motivation on the performance of students at primary level. Means if we are going to produce different conclusions, we have to go for different research studies. Now let's come to educational research. It is very important, and these are most of the time known as basic, applied, and action. These are the types. Educational research is simply a systematic study of the problems of education. Education is very complex phenomenon. It is related with learners, and learners are always individuals, and individuals are having behavior, and behavior is always different from one person to another person. Then for learners there are teachers and there is society. So to find out the problems related with learners, with teachers and with society, there is always the need of educational research, because educational research is related with learners, teachers and society. When all the three forces work collectively without any issue of discipline, of incentives, of infrastructure, of methodology, of curriculum, then we will achieve the desired goals. According to Anderson, 1998, page number 6, educational research is a disciplined attempt. Discipline means objective. To address questions or solve problems through collection of primary data. There are two types of data we will discuss in the new videos. Primary data is the data which is collected by the researcher himself. And secondary data is the type of data which is used by the researcher, which is already available for utilization. For the purpose of it will descriptive research, it will be explanatory, it will be generalization, because research is mainly based on a problem, and to tackle with that problem there is sampling, and through sampling there is collection of data, and then there is analysis of data, and the data which is acquired through the sample, then that data and the results are applied for generalizations on the general population. And prediction. Prediction means to say something or to forecast something. According to Eric, 2006, page number 19, the application of scientific approach. Scientific approach means which is totally objective, which is systematic, which is used for the application of scientific gadgets to study the educational problems. So, from this discussion, we come to the features of research, that what are the basic requirements of research. The first thing for research is that it should always be systematic. Means it should be just like going up stairs. So you have to cover step 1, then step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and slowly and gradually you come to the peak. So it should be systematic, it should be purposeful. Research and purpose. These are the two sides of the same coin. Where there is the word research, there will be a purpose behind it. Then there is selection of problem. Because systematic purposeful for what? It is for the selection of problems. What is the purpose? The purpose is the existence of the problem. Where there is a problem, there will be a research. Then there are certain hypotheses. Hypothesis means a tentative guess. Tentative guess means that, for example, do motivation improve the performance of the students at secondary level, or do cartoon movies improve the speaking skill of the students? These are called hypotheses. Then there is data collection. Various devices are used for collection of data. That may be questionnaire, that may be introduced. Then there is analysis of data. There is the use of statistical tools. Then there is the findings. And after findings, we go for the conclusion and recommendation. So dear student, it was just introduction to the research. Inshallah, in the coming videos we will discuss the major aspects and the major requirements for the research. So watch the video please and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.